Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 8007FFFF on your Windows while you are on your Windows Update. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, and here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that is that it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests. For the next method, make a right click at the Start button, select File Explorer. Now here in the File Explorer window, click on this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the W section, and here you'll find the Windows folder, double-click. Scroll down to the S section and you'll find the software distribution folder. Double click and delete the items from here. Press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and simply hit the delete bin at the top and wait for all the items to be deleted. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you need to type this command, sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for, repair, and fix any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close it. Once done, 100% completed, close out of here. For the next method, type CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator. Type this command, dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. So this process will repair your Windows image. While the process is going on, do not close the window and wait for this to be 100% completed. Additional tip, if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, continuously press the space key on your keyboard and that might help the process to continue. Once done, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.